Take a ride in the 2017 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.